How you do for fuel, Joe?
Oh, 1 bar gone. We'll have to stop somewhere.
Oh, shit. There you go.
And how many miles is the Long Mynd?
How many miles? 2.5, 3.
Fuck's sake. World in action again. No, it's YouTube music, and so it's just streaming what it thinks I want to hear.
Potholes.
And every time I stop the bike, it starts.
Fuck's sake. Big 4x4 coming.
Yeah.
And you don't want to be stopping on that fucking bit there.
Right, so at Asterton, that's the beginning.
Yeah, well that's where that house is, and then you hang a right.
Yeah.
So just round this bend to the right. Right, lots of grit in the middle.
Don't see any traffic.
No, not yet. Not yet.
All right.
Right, you're clear all the way up as far as I can see.
Grit in the middle.
Grass in the middle here.
Yeah. Lobo bag in the middle.
Old stones in the middle.
Yeah. Saw you wobbling.
Yeah, fucking straight over that. Yeah. Unless Joe's turned it off for me. Meep, meep. Look at that. Isn't that fantastic?
It is a fantastic view.
Yeah. Ah, fuck. I fucking knew it. That's right, she got a 4x4. He can go up on the grass. Thank you. He looks like fucking ZZ Top.
Shit. Oh. Yeah, I knew that would be crap.
Right, here comes the wind. Look at the windsock. See, you could have a cup of tea there. Look, you could have a coffee there.
Is Joe through?
I'm through. If I go quiet, just
He's
if I go quiet, just concentrate.
Yeah, no, that's fine. It's just make sure you got through that bit with that.
I get like that if I'm constipated.
See, you got to be retarded changing the summer gloves to come up over here.
Yeah, I know. What's that?
No, what retarded?
Retarded.
No, we can see that anyway. Smokes more than a Garsden hospital.
Car coming.
Drinks more than a wanked out XJ6.
I believe a motorcycle is coming.
Yeah.
With some cars. Still 11 degrees up here.
The little lambs.
Yeah, motorbike. Oh, fucking car nearly had the sheep. Don't go over that one, don't go over that one, don't go over that one. Oh. She says, I don't care. I'm fearless in my little Fiesta.
Oh, careful. Oh, they're a bit fucking frisky, aren't they?
Isn't they? Who's thinking, there's a fucking human. The last one that come near us shagged us. Look, she's trying to that lamb's trying to feed off of that one in the middle of the fucking road. What's the matter with you? Lovely, isn't it, Joe?
It is. Very nice place.
You wait. Best is yet to come.
Nice view out the front.
Best is yet to come.
It's just all the fumes from the motorbikes in front are doing me, make me choke a bit.
Yeah. Don't worry, Joe, I heard you.
Pothole. Shit in the middle. Lots of shit in the middle.
Yeah.
Pothole.
Gravel, potholes, fucking hell.
Look, there's some horse petting going on up here. I bet you don't pet them the way I did. Right, watch this shit down here. Oh, mind that big pothole there.
Even the missus takes a piss out of how soft they are. Have you ever done any work?
Yeah. Call yourself a worker. Yeah, you got your grips on. What's that?
Yeah.
I wonder what the fuck that was.
I thought he was facing east.
I thought, fucking hell, it's alright the sheep bending down to take it, but fuck me. There you go, Joe. The views are starting now.
Wonderful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, over there, look.
And then we'll drop back down into that valley.
Yeah, and when you look down, try not to look down there too long, because that's where you'll start steering.
Yeah.
And you'll see like is it a pub or a cafe down there, or tourist?
It's a cafe visitor centre, yeah. And you see these interlocking spurs by the looks of it.
Interlocking spurs. You cardboard cat.
It does.
Isn't there one just as you drop down before the cattle grid, after the cattle grid, sorry?
No.
Yeah, but it's Sunday, isn't it? So
Sunday. There's one when you come out the other side, you go over the cattle grid, you drop down, it's just before you get into town.
on the left, isn't it?
On the left, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, shit, right. Ugh. Now that car park there, I think that's the one Derek jumped off his bike because he thought he was going over the edge. He came into the car park a bit quick, thought fuck, and he just leapt off it. Yeah.
Come on, Kia.
Yeah. Waved as well. Yeah. Fucking Hondas. It did look like a triple black, yeah. Yeah. Oh, right, yeah. Oh, yeah, you've got an armchair. Mind that horrible pothole. And that one.
Look at that down through there, lovely.
Right, I think what I'll do, Steve, is I'll let Nigel go round the corner. See if there's any traffic coming.
No, it looks clear all the way down. Look at that down over that. Down over there, Joe. Just don't steer down there, because that's the quick way down. Where's the visitors centre bit? Right, car coming up.
Yeah, he's gonna pull in, I
think he's going to wait, isn't he? Yeah.
He is, yeah. There's a bus service that runs up over here as well.
Yeah.
You got your 360 on, Mike?
I have. Thank you. It's a Supra. Right. This is where you don't want to be stopping too fucking near the left.
No, it's not.
Because that's more of a fucking sheer drop. Alright, car coming up. Right, I'm going to stop here because unless he pulls in that passing place there.
Yeah.
Is he? Yeah, he is. Somebody with some sense.
Piss off.
Cheers, thank you. What's he doing there then? Thank you.
Ferreting, isn't he?
I think that dog's used to it because it was there where he was pointing to it for it to get out of the way. Car coming up. He was pointing for it to fucking go there. It was thinking, where's the fucking hole? Where's the hole? Come on then. Jesus Christ. That was her with the glasses out of fucking Scooby-Doo, wasn't it?
Yeah, I thought it was, yeah.
Was it
Thelma.
Wilma? Thelma or Wilma? Thelma. Yeah.
That was the Long Mynd.
That was the Long Mynd.
Wasn't very
Not
long.
very long, is it?
No.
Lovely though, isn't it, Joe?
Yeah. Nice views up there.
Do that on a 125.
It's quite long
Like
if
he
you go
is.
if you go out the other way and then do a loop without realising you've already been round it once.
Pothole. Oh, somebody's camera.
Joe probably.
No, it's not mine. Mine's still
Not
working.
mine.
Oh, fucking quelle surprise. Oh look, they got this finished. That's lovely, isn't it? Look at it. Gorgeous. Are we going to look down here?
Can do. Now you can, if you can park on this bit of waste ground to the right. Or
Well, it's saying open.
it is open.
Oh, there's a gap here. Oh yeah, we can get in here, look. We can all get in here.
Yeah, but you've got to back it up again, haven't you? Up a hill. What, bump it down?
That's alright, it ain't bad. You alright, bud?
Yeah, you haven't brought any fucking luggage.
I'm sure our boxes will clash when we fucking lean over.
Ow!
Ugh. Oh, that
Come on,
remote.
Steve. Ready?
Steve's there going diddling. A cluster of faffers. An NT, a pan-European, an NT, and a motorbike.